Good morning. It's Wednesday, day 4, I think. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, kind of like day 4. What time is it? It is 7:07. Not quite getting up to see the sunrise, but I've seen a few sunrises. However, it is still pretty nice out there, I'm gonna say. Wednesday morning, about 10 a.m. Been up for a little while. Obviously, I got up at about 7:30, something like that. 6:30, I don't remember. And the only reason I know it's Wednesday is because I've been looking at my watch. I've kind of lost track of time. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today. There's some trails over on the other side of the lake, over there, that the path that leads kind of like to Calabogie, the start of it. Just past that, there's a trail that I think I can do a bit of a loop and come back. I was also thinking of trying to get the drone to follow me through that first section, but it's like the wind right now is about 18 kilometers an hour, which isn't bad, but it's saying gusts to 40, which it'd probably be okay. I'm not sure. But the big thing is there seems to be clouds rolling in over there every once in a while, and the weather report says 0% chance of rain, but we all know how accurate that is. So I'm just gonna hang out for a bit, see what it does. Maybe I'll reassess after lunch. Who knows? I have decided that it's not going to rain. The drone will survive the wind. So we're going to go for a little ride. I'm going to try and check out some of those other trails, I think, on the other side of the kind of across the lake there. We'll see. So we got to cut through that semi-rough section that is the start of the way to Calabogie. That was close. See how this thing's doing. Signal lost. Okay. So it looks like we gotta go try and find it. Uh-oh. Yeah, I kind of think it hit something. So I think I know the area it's in. It's got a signal right now, and it says I'm like right by it, but I can't see it. So I'm gonna turn the bike around, head back that way, and then wander around for a bit, maybe hope that it starts beeping soon. Okay, see if we can find this thing. Well, look what I found. It was a little banged up. It's broken. Okay, so it's definitely, wow. I gotta take a look at the footage and see what happened there. But it was right over there, right at the side of the road. I'm guessing it hit that tree and tumbled down. But so we'll take a look at the footage. Well, that might be it for the drone shots. We'll see if I can find parts or something like that for it, maybe. Definitely no more flying this weekend, though. So that's me testing out all the drone software, so you don't have to. I'll check the footage to be sure, but I'm very certain it hit a tree, and I lost signal, couldn't find it. It basically was not giving me any signal at all. Used the Find My Drone feature, and it got me pretty close, actually. Unfortunately, the first couple attempts at locating it, I was looking in the wrong direction. So it's got an accuracy radius of about 3 meters, and so I just started kind of looking within a 10-foot radius of that. Of course, started on the wrong side, and then just kept getting deeper and deeper into the bush. And let me tell you, there's some prickly bushes in there. Anyway, deeper and deeper into the bush, thinking it's got to be closer than this. Kind of went in the other direction, and there it was, right at the side of the trail, actually. A little winded from all that bushwhacking, and I don't know, whatever. Probably from consuming about 800 calories a day and burning up 1,200 or 2,000. So we're gonna take an leisurely ride. So this is my last solo day. Forrest figures he says he's leaving at 8:30, which puts him here probably around 2:30 tomorrow afternoon. That's the trail that I wanted to take, that I think goes to North Crandall Lake. Okay, well, you know what? Go a little further. So I thought I would stop in and see what the site at Mirror Lake was like. It's not booked very often. Site 12. I think the big drawback of it is that there's no water, but I see a trail here. It looks like it probably leads to something. Probably the Privy. But does it maybe also lead to water? I don't know. Let's go for a hike. Find out. I am not going to want to walk this every time I have to go get water, that's for sure. So not only is it a bit of a walk, but it's a little marshy. What is that? That doesn't go down to the water. That goes up that hill. Alright, forget it. Not renting this site. I'm ready to go back. I think I haven't been eating enough quality food this week. Even my full bag of Mandarin beef and rice last night apparently wasn't enough. And I guess Coast Guard ration bars and Mr. Noodles only do so much. Maybe it's time to break into that bacon jerky. Some powdered eggs. Ooh. Yeah, I'm sweating up a storm. Okay. I'm heading back to the site. That's enough of this. Okay, so it's about 8:30. I've had my bag of shepherd's pie. I've had my coffee and my bag of creme brulee. Now it's time for a fire and some bourbon. It's gonna be the last quiet fire of the trip because starting tomorrow, Forrest gets here, and when he's here, none of the fires are small or quiet. So